Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this yummy baked fish pie confisure. Can you see how yummy this is looking? Here I have an already washed mackerel fish. Into that I'm adding in oregano, thyme, salt and seasoning cube. Add in hot water and proceed to boiling this. Here the fish is boiling, and once done, go on to take out all the bones in the fish and mash the fish. Okay, mash the fish. Here we have other ingredients to be using to make the filling for this fish pie. Here is grated carrots, spring onions cut, purple onions chopped, habanero pepper hand chopped. Into a dry pan, I'll add in oil and then proceed to add in the onions. Saute a little and add in the pepper. Next is the carrots. Allow that to cook a little, and then the star of the show, which is the fish.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Add in the spring onions and give that a good mix and take it out from the heat. Here I'm sifting out 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Into that, I'll add in a tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a mix and then add in the wet ingredients. Here 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix that to get crumbs and then add in a cup of water. So we'll keep this to rest. Leave this to rest for 10 minutes and proceed to making the pie. As you can see, the dough is well rested and no longer sticking to the hand. I'll go on and cut that. Sprinkle the little flour on the surface and roll out the dough very thinly. Okay, I didn't want it very thick.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This fish pie tasted really good. I didn't add in sugar, you remember? No sugar, yeah. This was how I continued until I finished cutting everything.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
The filling is what I want you all to try. You see this filling? Try making your filling like this, and also try making your fish pie without sugar. It tastes really better without sugar. Yeah, just salt, your baking powder, then either egg, even without egg, and then your butter. Your fish pie is good. At this point, the oven is already heating up. Bake at 170 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes. At 30 minutes, it was okay, but I wanted to bake it more because I don't know how the inside would be. But yeah, at 40 minutes, it was perfect. If you have watched to this point, I want to appreciate you. Thank you so much for sticking around. I'd like to see you some other time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't, and leave a comment for me, okay? Even if it's typing fish pie, now wow, you to do, just type it inside there. I want to read from you. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, Jesus loves you, and so do I. Bye guys.